Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to set up Quick Text in Salesforce. This feature allows you to create reusable message templates with dynamic fields, saving you time when communicating with customers across different channels. Let's get started. First, you'll need to access your Salesforce settings. Click the gear icon in the top right corner of your screen, then select Setup from the drop-down menu. This takes you to the administration area where you can configure various Salesforce features. Once you're in Setup, look for the Quick Find search box on the left side of your screen. Type in Quick Text Settings and select Quick Text Settings from the results that appear. This brings up the configuration page where you'll enable the Quick Text functionality for your organization. On the Quick Text Settings page, make sure the checkbox for Enable Quick Text is checked. This activates the feature across your Salesforce instance. Below that, you'll see two additional options. Check either Share and Organize Quick Text in folders if you want to organize your templates in a folder structure, or Hide Quick Text button and pop up if you prefer a cleaner interface, or both depending on your preference. Once you've made your selections, click Save to apply these settings, give it a moment to process, and save your configuration. Now that Quick Text is enabled, let's create your first template. Click the App Launcher, which is the waffle icon with 9 dots typically located in the top left corner of your Salesforce interface. In the search field that appears, type Quick Text and click on it to open the Quick Text Management area. To start creating a new template, click the New Quick Text button. This opens a form where you'll build your reusable message. In the Quick Text Name field, type a descriptive name for your template. For example, you might call it Standard Greeting. This name helps you identify the template later when you're searching for it. Next, click inside the Message field and type your main message text. This is the core content that will be inserted when you use this Quick Text. If you want to personalize your messages with dynamic information, you can add merge fields. These fields automatically pull data from Salesforce records. In the Merge Field section, select a value in the Related to dropdown. For example, if you're sending messages to contacts, select Contact. Then, in the Field dropdown, choose which specific information you want to insert, such as full name. Click Insert to add the merge field into your message. You'll see it appear as something like !contact.name inside curly brackets. This field will automatically populate with the actual contact name when you use the template. Now you'll want to organize your Quick Text by category and specify which channels it's available for. Click the Category dropdown and select an appropriate category, such as Greetings. This helps you find related templates quickly later on. Under the Available Channels section, you'll see a list of communication channels. Click on a channel you want to use, for example, phone, and click the right arrow button to move it to the selected list. You can add multiple channels if this template works across different communication methods. Make sure to check the box that says Include in Selected Channels if you want this Quick Text available for those specific channels. Finally, click Save to create your Quick Text template. Your new Quick Text is now ready to use across the channels you specified, and you can insert it into your communications with just a few clicks. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.